Welcome back to this tutorial. Quite a lot number of people have Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app on their phone, but they find it difficult to navigate and see how they can use the app because of language barrier. So if you fall into this category, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply use your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app in English language without any strain. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply use Pinduoduo shopping app in English language. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WeChat account. So we are going to do everything right inside your WeChat. So what we want to do is to make sure we open up our WeChat account. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my WeChat app. Then after you open up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Let's go to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Pay and Services. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on Buy Together. Now, once you click on Buy Together, you notice that the logo of Pinduoduo is going to appear and you are here in your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So once it's opened up like this, you see everything here was written in Chinese language. And for you to translate everything here into English language without any stress, what you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top corner right here. So click on that. And this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply swipe this way. And then make sure you navigate to translation section right here. Click on that. And in a few seconds, everything is going to translate. You can see translated completely. So right here, the more you scroll down, the more you read everything right here in English language. Then you can also come to the top right here, swipe this way and check on more product detail. You can click on order right here. This allows you to see more product detail, just like what you see right here. Then you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up, and everything is going to be written in English, just like what you see right here. Now you can click on any of the product link to confirm. So I'm going to click on this product link right here. So you can see translating. So in a few seconds, allow everything to load up and everything is going to be fully translated, just like what you see right here. So you can see the more you scroll down, the more everything will be fully translated into English language, just like what you see right here. So you can come to the top right here, this section here where you have you have evaluate, you have details right here. You can click by the tab and it show you exactly what you need. Then the products. So under the product section here, you have some of the information as far as rating and the people that give rating and the number of rating the store have so far. And likewise the product detail right here. It's that simple. So if I click on here to go back and I go to my profile, so click on here to go to my profile. Then you see everything in your profile also will be automatically translated into English language, just like what you see right here. And with this, you should be able to navigate easily on your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So this is how to simply use your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app in English language. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial like this, remember to click on that subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation using Pinduoduo 1688, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.